Hello, and thank you for joining the Allstate Whole Life Insurance with Long-Term Care Benefits presentation. Today, we'll explore how this comprehensive insurance option can provide both financial protection for your loved ones and support for potential long-term care needs. Many of us have already witnessed the impact of long-term care, whether through our own family experiences or by observing friends and coworkers. Consider these compelling statistics about long-term care. 70%, the fraction of individuals reaching age 65 who will experience a major long-term care need in their lives. 48%, the portion of those turning 65 who will require some type of paid long-term care services at some point. 24%, the percentage of seniors at age 65 projected to need paid long-term care for over 2 years. 15%, the share of individuals reaching 65 who will spend more than 2 years living in a nursing home. With these figures in mind, it's clear that proactive planning is crucial for a secure retirement. Taking steps to address long-term care needs should begin long before you reach retirement age. Now, here is the other issue surrounding long-term care planning: inflation. As it stands, the average cost for homemaker services has soared to over $5,000 per month for just 44 hours of care each week. If we project these costs into the future, it's evident that expenses across all types of care will continue to rise dramatically. This brings us to an essential question: how can you secure long-term care benefits throughout your working life to safeguard your financial future? Consider enhancing your retirement strategy by adding the Allstate Home Life Insurance policy with long-term care benefits. This proactive step can significantly help in managing future care expenses. With the Allstate policy, you receive 4% of the death benefit each month for up to 50 months, or 4.2 years. For instance, a $125,000 policy offers $5,000 a month in long-term care benefits, making it an excellent match for today's home health care costs. As time passes, additional long-term care benefits may be required to offset the shortages, as illustrated. To understand the Allstate Whole Life Insurance policy and the special riders that are included, let's follow this simple flowchart. Let's assume a member purchases a $100,000 policy and passes away. Like most life insurance policies, the beneficiaries will receive $100,000 of life insurance proceeds. However, what if long-term care is needed? When an insured is unable to perform 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, transferring, bathing, toileting, eating, dressing, or continence, or suffers from a cognitive impairment, the policy will begin a payout after a 90-day elimination period, and premiums will be waived. After qualifying for the long-term care benefit and waiting 90 days, the policy would pay 4% of the insurance face amount for up to 25 months. In this example, the policy would pay $4,000 per month. If you die while receiving long-term care benefits, the death restoration rider that is included in the policy pays the original policy amount of $100,000 to your designated beneficiaries. Now, what if you still needed care after the first 25 months of payments has been used? Included in the policy is the Extension of Benefits rider that will continue to pay $4,000 per month for up to 25 months. Again, if you die during this payment cycle payout, your beneficiaries will receive the original policy amount of $100,000. Now, let's review the Death Benefit Restoration rider. This rider restores 100% of the original life insurance policy that was purchased, regardless if you use some or all of the long-term care benefits. In summary, if you were to purchase a $100,000 Allstate Whole Life Insurance policy, your total benefits could be $300,000 in this example. Simply put, when you purchase a policy, you will always have your original death benefit, regardless of how many long-term care payments were received. The Allstate Whole Life Insurance policy with long-term care benefits is the Swiss Army knife of life insurance policies. During this open enrollment period, you can enroll without medical questions, labs, or exams up to certain limits. Important benefits and features of this policy include guaranteed premiums throughout the life of the policy, guaranteed death benefits regardless of how many long-term care benefits were paid, if applicable. Long-term care benefits are 2 times the death benefit. Guaranteed cash values. If you have any questions before your company's designated enrollment dates and times, please refer to your enrollment guide for contact information.